Can't get into your popular Direct app? Are you stuck in a login loop, or is the app simply refusing to cooperate? It's incredibly frustrating when you need to check your high-yield savings or CD account and your mobile banking is on lockdown. You're not alone. Technical glitches are a common pain point with any digital service, but fortunately, most popular Direct login problems have straightforward fixes. Let's dive into the most common reasons you might be locked out and, more importantly, exactly how to solve them so you can get back to managing your money. First, let's start with the basics: credentials and case sensitivity. Popular Direct systems are strict about your username and password, which are case sensitive. If you're copying and pasting, make sure there are absolutely no extra spaces before or after the text. Even if you're typing, double-check that your caps lock isn't accidentally on, or that you're hitting the correct upper and lowercase letters as you created them. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the Forgot Password or Unlock/Forgot Username links right on the login screen to reset or retrieve them. Next up, a major player, the app and operating system. If your username and password are correct but nothing is happening, your app might be out of date. Check the Apple App Store or Google Play for the latest version of the popular Direct app. Updates often include critical bug fixes for login issues. While you're at it, check your phone's operating system. Running on an ancient version of iOS or Android can cause compatibility problems. A quick software update on your phone might be all you need. Third, the all-too-common issue: security and verification codes. For added protection, popular Direct often requires a security code, especially if you're logging in from a new device, a new network, or perhaps an unusual time of day. If you're not receiving the code, or if you're getting codes for an out-of-date number, check your spam/junk folder if you chose email verification. Verify your contact information in the online banking portal. If you can still log in on a desktop browser, ensure the phone number and email listed for secure delivery are current. If you can't log in anywhere, you'll need to contact customer care to update this. Finally, the less common, but important, checks: internet and browser. Are you on a strong, stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection? A weak signal can cause the login request to time out or fail. Also, remember that third-party browsers within the app can sometimes cause issues. If you are struggling, try logging in directly via a desktop browser like Chrome or Safari to rule out a mobile-specific glitch. If you've tried all these steps, checked your credentials, updated your app, verified your security contact info, and ensured a stable connection, and you're still locked out, it's time to bring in the pros. Your account may have been locked after too many attempts, or there could be an issue only they can resolve. Call the popular Direct Customer Care Center during their operating hours for direct assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.